This is our Laboratory 6 demonstration, interfacing Keypad with Arduino Uno board. Program number 1. In this program, we're only gonna need one keypad and its connection to the Arduino Uno board. The columns will be connected starting from pin 2 until pin 5, and the rows will be connected from pin 6 to pin 9. Now, let's put the sketch in and start the simulation. This program will print the selected key into the serial monitor. Program number 2. For this program, we're also gonna need the keypad, the Arduino board, and now we're gonna need 3 LEDs, 3 resistors with 220 ohms, and 1 buzzer. The LEDs should be connected from pin 10 to pin 12, and the buzzer to pin 13. The breadboard should also be connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno. Now, let's put the sketch in and start the simulation. This program will choose a song depending on the keypad pressed. So we have 6 songs. Let's try number 1. Number 2. Number 6. Number 3. Program number 3. In this program, we're only gonna need the keypad and the Arduino board. We have the same connections. Now let's put the sketch in and start the simulation. This program is a hexadecimal calculator. Let's try solving one. Program number 4. In this program, we're gonna use the same circuit, 1 keypad, 3 LEDs, and 3 resistors, and 1 buzzer, all with the same connection to the Arduino Uno board. Now let's put the sketch in and start the simulation. This program will ask for a password, and the default password is 1234. Let's try checking it. Let's put a wrong password.